Looks like these days Sima is not shy of drama. She just went on a podcast to insult DJ Zintle's husband based on unsubstantiated claims that he is cheating on Zintle.
And he seems like such a decent guy. I'm so sad.
Exactly.
Like he seems like such a decent guy. Like you look at him and you're like, what's in that Omarashem? Who Zintle won here? Kandi Inja. Oh shit.
Wait, but where's the proof that he cheated? Because I've been seeing all these things circulating online, but I haven't seen any proof.
But you don't need proof. DJ Zintle is not denying anything. She's just saying it hurts. Yes, I'm letting go. Because Shooty, it's true.
Calling someone injured without proof to support your claims, it's really wild on its own. However, this time around, DJ Zintle didn't let this one slide. She immediately responded on her social media platform, and this is how she responded.
Yes, nothing. I exhausted. Like, I've actually been trying to ignore all the stuff that's been happening on social media, the disrespect that comes with it. But let me tell you, nothing hit me harder than someone calling my husband Inja. That one, I don't know if I'm going to recover from that one. And then to justify what they said, they then said I said I was hurt, or I didn't deny the allegations, and I said I was hurt and letting go. What? I think the thing that punished me the most about that statement was because I know the lady. I talk to her quite often on DM sometimes. I was bought from her business, so she could have reached out to me if she was concerned. But she went straight to TikTok to call my husband Inja. Hi guys, you guys are doing a lot. Let me tell you, you guys are brave.
Not so long after DJ Zintle's response to Sima, that a social media user responded by posting what she alleges to be evidence that indeed Meadowbanks is cheating on DJ Zintle. And on the screenshots she posted what seemed to be a video call between her and Meadowbanks, and then also posted what seemed to be evidence of Meadowbanks requesting an Uber ride for the lady. And then on another screenshot posted what seemed like a conversation between her and Meadowbanks. But then the conversation is led by Meadowbanks saying that I am stalking you. The lady then responded by posting a picture which she hid. And then after posting that picture, Meadowbanks responded by saying damn. And after that response, the poor lady posted another picture. And then on that picture, Meadowbanks said that I want to kiss you right now. So if ever we are to go with these claims or this evidence, does this mean or confirm that indeed Meadowbanks is cheating on DJ Zintle? It remains to be seen. Stay tuned on Extratainment and News. Lithi Bafetu Ariye.